parts of the United States are witnessing a slowdown in the number of COVID-19 cases, a spread there, which had been like wildfire. This is raising the prospect that a national peak in the Omicron wave may be on the horizon.
And across the Atlantic, the UK is also reporting its lowest number of daily COVID-19 infections in a month. Our Hyo-sun has a wrap-up.
It appears new COVID-19 infections are starting to level off or even decline in parts of the United States. According to the New York Times, over the past 3 days, an average of roughly 800,000 people a day have been testing positive for the COVID-19 across the U.S. New York State, for instance, recorded around 48,000 new cases last Friday, a nearly 47% on-week drop. Daily cases are also dropping around Cleveland and Washington D.C., areas that sustained record-high increases over the past month. Despite the welcome news, COVID-19-related hospitalizations and deaths are rising, overwhelming hospitals across the nation. In Europe, Britain has reported its lowest number of daily infections in a month, with experts saying Omicron infections appear to be, quote, stabilizing. Nearly 71,000 new cases were reported on Sunday, down from over 141,000 a week ago. Against this backdrop, British authorities are increasingly confident Plan B restrictions could be lifted towards the end of January. Meanwhile, the Chinese city of Xi'an has gradually started lifting restrictions after 25 days of lockdown. Local media outlets report the lockdown measures have been either partially or completely lifted in some communities deemed to be of lower risk. The capital city of Beijing has decided to beef up antivirus measures ahead of the Winter Olympics. It will mandate all travelers coming into Beijing via other cities to get an additional PCR test within 72 hours of arrival. However, many countries are still grappling with a rapid surge. Germany reported over 515 new infections per 100,000 people on Sunday, the first time the index has surpassed 500. Its health authorities are warning the public to stay vigilant.
I again want to make my position as a Member of Parliament quite clear. I am in favour of compulsory vaccination without any ifs and buts. I am in favour of compulsory vaccination from the age of 18 on, because I believe that otherwise we will be faced again in the fall with a situation that we do not want. I don't think that the Omicron variant will be the last variant.
Japan's daily cases on Sunday topped 20,000 for the third consecutive day as the country continues to battle Omicron. Cases have surged about 50-fold over the last 2 weeks, with some prefectures continuing to log record numbers of infections. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.